Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Side. So today I'm going to talk about some best budget Bluetooth earphones. So at number 1, we have a brand name known as Bolt Audio. The model is Airbass FX1. The features of this Bluetooth earphone is the version of this device is Bluetooth 5.0 version. This earphone supports Google Assistant and Siri Assistant. This earphone supports IPX5 water resistance. The playback time of this product is 8 hours, and the charging case itself has such a battery capacity that this earphone could be recharged up to 3 times. Weight of this product is 90 grams. This earphone supports Type-C charging. This product is available in 3 color variants. So at number 2, we have the Infinity by JBL earphones, and the model is Glide 120. Talking about the features, so this product comes with dual equalizer. The Bluetooth version is version 5.0. This is a premium metal earbuds kind of design, which you may definitely like. This product comes with 7 hours of battery life. This product supports IPX5 sweatproof. This has a 12mm drivers. This product has a soft flex soft neck band, which would be very comfortable for long time usage. Might be. This thing also supports, like the previous one, voice assistant integration. The OS supporting is Android and iOS. Battery capacity is 120 mAh, whereas the earlier one which I told you didn't mention the battery capacity, and the charging time over is 1.5 hours. Then at number 3 we have Mivi brand's Color Flash model. So features is this product can give you battery backup of up to 10 hours. This product is made in India. This product takes time of 40 minutes to get fully recharged. This product supports one thing which is very special, which you won't find in any other earphones. These Bluetooth earphones support dual pairing of devices. Means these earphones could be connected with 2 Bluetooth devices at the same point of time. This earphones also support fast charging. Playback time is 24 hours. This supports IPX for sweat and dustproof, not IPX5. The company is also providing you with a 1 year of warranty. Next, we have the P-Tron's Bass Buds Pro. So talking about its features, this product supports Type-C charging. The weight of this product is 35 grams. This has Bluetooth version 5.0. The battery life is of 12 hours. This product also has IPX4, just like the earlier one, sweat and water resistant, not IPX5. Supports both Google, Siri and also Alexa Assistant. This product supports fast charging. It has 4 hours of playback time. And the battery capacity is mentioned over, it is 300 mAh battery. And the company is providing you with 1 year warranty. But let me tell you one thing, that all the earphones which I have told you over here is running on lithium polymer battery technology, not lithium ion. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Technical Side, and also hit the bell icon to get notified.